Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video, we will be using the concept of unary operator overloading. So firstly, we have to understand what are unary operators. Unary operators which are applied on single object. It is it is done in various ways. So I'll just take two examples of how unary operator overloading is applied. We are not applying operators onto more than one objects. We are applying on a single object. Like for an example, if I create, let's say, a class and I create main and I write a followed by obj and I just write plus obj. It means I have applied unary plus pre-unary operator on obj and how it is workable. So let's just see how it actually works out. So firstly, what we are going to do is we will be using the concept of operator member function for it. So firstly, what I'll do is I'll create a class A and I write a data member int a float b, and in public I create a constructor of it. I have written int x float y, or it's something which I can write int x float y, and I am writing a is equal to x, b is equal to y, right? And I am also doing one thing. I'm writing a is equal to plus plus a, right? And this is done. Void show, right? And it is just displaying a. So guys, I'm working with a only. Now if I write main to it, so I have written main, I create the object. Now since I have used constructor, parameterized constructor, so it means I will be using the object which is having parameters. I'm writing a obj to 3.5. right? Now what I want to do is I want to add plus obj. Now I just have to write plus obj. Directly I cannot write. Why? Because directly unary operators cannot be applied on objects. For it to happen, I need to create a function which is an operator function. Just see, I've written plus obj, no value is returned to any value. So when value is not returned, I've just written plus obj. That means I will use a function which is C plus is an operator plus is a sign, or it is an operator which is applied on object. So plus would be the name of operator function. How? It is not returned to any value, so I'll just write void operator plus inside the class, guys, inside the class as a member function. I'm writing that void operator plus, and I'm writing like this, right? So what I do is I just remove this one and I give meaning to it. I just close this one and I'm just writing a is equal to plus plus a. Simple as that. I have just given this entire scenario a particular meaning, and then I just close this entire class and I'm just writing obj.show. Now what happens is, this is the entire program that I will also give you in description box. But you see, the moment I start with main, so I'm writing a followed by obj. I'm giving 2 or 3.5. So this 2 is given to this particular x. This 3.5 goes over here. So a is given 2 value, b is given 3.5, right? Then what is happening is I'm writing plus obj, guys. Plus obj. Plus obj means I need to call an operator function. Operator function, guys, because when objects are applied with operators, operator function gets called. So it means whenever you write plus obj, this function will get called, and this a value, which is data member, because this is now guys a member function can access data members, and a value is given plus a means that this a value gets plus a value you have already got as 2, so plus 2 means this a becomes 3, right? Then what we have written over here, a becomes 3, over it gives a value as 2, obj dot show, it will come over here and it will display a, and you will see a value is 3. Although I have not applied anything to y, but that's how it is, that's up to you how you want to use it. This is a very simple operation for your unary operator overloading when you are not returning any value. Just see plus obj guys, plus obj, nothing is returned over here, we are just writing, so that's why your data type is void. Now in the next lecture what I will do is I will use a particular object and assign a particular operation to a particular object and see what will be the data type. So if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Kindly share it to maximum audience so that we can reach numbers. Thank you very much for your support.